Hello, everyone. Happy 2020. I decided to just kind of send you a quick video here, give you an idea of what's going on in the landscape of health coverage for the year. There are only four options that you should ever consider. The first one is going to be grandfather plans. So, a grandfather plan is basically a plan that cannot be affected by the ACA. So, the contract itself that they have with you, if the ACA goes away, a lot of people are talking about it. We'll see what happens. But whether it does, it's going to be unaffected by that. The nice thing about that is that it gives you the security that the plan won't change, regardless of what happens. So it does have deductibles, it has coinsurance, but they're mostly reasonable. And you can build it all the way up to an unlimited blanket so that if you have a major event, you know that the insurance company will take care of that for you. So that's number one. Number two is an upgradable plan. So an upgradable plan, you start with the base plan that will take care of your office visits. It will take care of your wellness. But if something major happens and you need that additional coverage, well, then you can upgrade the plan to include that benefit. And so what it does, it allows us to save us money on the premiums today. And we don't know if anything's going to happen, but if that's happened, guess what? We can upgrade it even in the middle of a claim. So it's not something that we have to get in front of. It can actually happen afterwards. So that's the second option that I would ever consider for you. Now, on both of these plans, there are underwritten plans, which means you got to qualify for them. And so that's where I come in and help you at least understand what that qualifications will be and see if you do qualify, because those would be essentially the best two plans that you can buy. Now, thirdly is a tri-term plan. A tri-term plan is a short-term plan, which I never ever recommend short-term because most of those plans are 6 months or 12 months. Well, there is a reason for that. Guess what happens if on the fifth month you all of a sudden develop a critical illness or if you get hurt with a major accident? Well, now the insurance company has the option not to renew you. And now you're stuck with all those bills and whatever comes after that, and potentially a bankruptcy. So we're not trying to avoid short term. Now, the reason that tri-term is an okay option for you is because it's guaranteed renewable for up to 3 years. So at least we have coverage that we can then later on consider whether we need to continue or not, and it gives us some time. And then fourth option would be the ACA plans. The great thing about the ACA plans, they're guaranteed issues. So it doesn't matter what's going on with you, they will have to take you. Now, second, the bad thing about it is that they're the most expensive and they're going to have the high deductibles that are going to come in. Plus, there is no guarantees that those premiums are not going to change with you, on you, in the during the remaining of the year. All right, so those are the only four options that I've considered for you. Give me a call. Let me know if I can help you. That's what I'm here for. Take care.